Hi there, welcome to the Zapiet Academy. Today I will show you how to set up Pickup Only mode, which provides a faster checkout experience to stores that only offer store pickup. With this mode, both Shopify and Zapiet Pickup and Delivery will see your products as digital. When your customers click Checkout, they will go straight to the billing page, skipping the address and the rates page. Let's start by marking your product digital. In your Shopify admin, click Products. Select all your products. Click Bulk Edit, then click Columns. Tick Requires Shipping field. Requires Shipping filter will now appear in the bulk editor. Untick all the Requires Shipping boxes. Click Save. Now that your products do not require shipping, the shipping address page and the ratings page will not appear at checkout. Now let's change your Zapiet Pickup and Delivery settings accordingly. In Zapiet Pickup and Delivery, click the Settings tab. Click Store Pickup. Find the Checkout section. Untick the Pre-populate Shipping Address field setting. Click Save. Go back to the settings, then click Developers. Find the Widget Visibility section. Untick the Hide widget when cart contains only digital items setting. Disabling this setting will make sure that our widget shows for your products which are now marked as digital. Click Save. Your checkout flow should look similar to this, showing only store pickup in the widget. When your customers click Checkout, the shipping address and rates page will be skipped. They will only need to add their billing address and the payment details to complete the order. Please note that this mode is not compatible with third-party sales channels like Facebook or Instagram. You also cannot use discount codes for pickup. Take a look at our Pickup Only mode guide for more information and limitations. If you have any questions, please reach us at support@zapiet.com and we'll be happy to help.